Welcome to my classroom. Today's topic is debtors turnover ratio. It is one of the important ratio that is included in activity ratios. What is the debtors turnover ratio? It explains the relationship between net credit sales and average debtors including bills receivables. This ratio indicates how efficiently the firm collects cash from debtors. This ratio is also known as receivables turnover ratio. This ratio shows how quickly that is are realized or converted into cash. Debtors turnover ratio is calculated from the following equation: net credit sales divided by average debtors including bills receivable. There are two components. First one, net credit sales. How to find out net credit sales? That is, from the gross credit sales deduct the net sales return. Then gross credit sales is find out from the total sales by deducting cash sales. That is the equation: gross credit sales is equal to total sales minus cash sales. Then net credit sales is equal to gross credit sales minus sales return. The total of debtors and bills receivables is known as account receivable or receivables. The standard ratio for debtors turnover is not fixed, but generally 7 times may be taken as satisfactory. Average debtors is calculated by the following equation: opening debtors plus closing debtors divided by 2. Average bills receivable is found out by using the formula opening bills receivable plus closing bill receivable divided by 2. If opening debtors and opening bills receivables are not given, their closing values may be taken as average. The debtors turnover ratio is expressed in days or months also. That is, it should be known as average collection period or debtors velocity or average age of debtors. It is to be found out by the following equation: 360 or 65 days or months in a year divided by debtors turnover ratio. Or the direct equation used to find out the average collection period is equal to average debtors including BR divided by net credit sales into 360 or 65 days or 12. In a year include 360 days or 365 days, whatever may be taken. Then higher turnover ratio indicate efficiency in collection from debtors. For example, from the following calculate debtors turnover ratio. Total sales for the year 1,75,000. Cash sales 20% of sales, that is 20% of 1,75,000. Sales return out of credit sales rupees 20,000. Sundry debtors including opening rupees 8,000, closing rupees 12,000. Solution: how to find out debtors turnover ratio? Net credit sales divided by average debtors including BR. So how to find out net credit sales? That is equal to gross credit sales minus sales return. Here gross credit sales are not given, but we are find out from total sales. Here the equation is gross credit sales is equal to total sales minus cash sales. Cash sales is 20% of 1,75,000, that is rupees 35,000. So the amount is 1,75,000 minus 35,000, that is equal to 1,40,000. Then we are going to net credit sales, that is equal to gross credit sales minus sales return. Here gross credit sale is 1,40,000 minus return 20,000, that is 1,20,000. Next we are going to calculate average debtors. Here there is no bills receivable, only debtors. So we are going to find out average debtors opening debtors plus closing debtors divided by 2. 8,000 plus 12,000 divided by 2. 20,000 divided by 2, that is equal to 10,000. Then DTR, that is debtors turnover ratio, that is equal to 1,20,000, that is net credit sales, divided by average debtors 10,000, that is equal to 12 times. Average collection period in days or in months, that is 360 divided by 12. 12 is debtors turnover ratio, equal to 30 days. Next, in month, that is 12 months in a year, divided by 12 times. Debtors turnover ratio is 12 times, that is equal to 1 month. Here 1 month is taken to convert the debtors into the form of cash. Next, the debtors turnover ratio is considered as satisfactory because the standard is 7 times. So here the 12 times, that is it is satisfactory to the firm. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.